It's 2022. And the majority of you might hate cold calling as a sales technique. Why? Because you think it's outdated. That is actually good news for you. Because your competitors probably think like that too. But there's a huge difference between cold calling as an amateur and cold calling as a pro. So, here are some best cold calling tips for the year 2022. Plan ahead. Prepare a script and be ready to communicate. However, don't let the script limit yourself. Don't run from rejection. Remember, no one closes 100% of their prospects. Get past the rejection phase and embrace it like a pro. Use sales tools to eliminate manual and repetitive tasks. Look for a sales tool that would make your calling process easier and helps you to manage your team at the same time. Ask the right questions. Asking the right questions makes them talk and lets you know the buyer persona. A complete win-win situation. Always follow up. Leave effective voicemails, emails, and provide them with relevant information. Let's do cold calling the right way in 2022. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for the next one.